So good morning everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Now today's topic is your array. What we are going to learn? Array. Now do you know what do you mean by array?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you remember what we have done in last class?
Yes, sir.
What?
Some,
average. Okay. Now indirectly I will say that today we are going to do the advanced sum. What is that? Advanced. Correct. Or the sum which 90% people are not using. What did I say? Which 90% people are not using. But to increase your productivity, to increase your working style, to increase your day-to-day routine job, you must use this array. There is no formula directly called as an array. What does it mean? There is no formula called as a directly array. For example, when we do the sum, we write equal to sum. When we open the bracket, it asks for what? Number 1. So array must be combined with some other tool. That means array must be connected with the sum, array must be connected to average, array must be connected to max. So this array must be connected to someone. Array is not working as an independent. It is working with someone. It is working with someone. For example, if I gave you the salt, can you do anything? Somebody said, like, just try to eat. This is the salt. Can you eat? No. You require something to be combined with this. Correct now? The similar way, array we can't use directly. We have to combine with someone. If there is anyone who doesn't understand English? Little. If you don't understand, please ask. I can repeat in Hindi also. I don't mind. Okay. So now let us see the array how it is working. For the execution of an array, you need to press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter. What did I say? Ctrl Shift and Enter. Sir, is this compulsory? Yes. Those who are using a version called as 2019 and below. What did I say? 2019 and below. If you are using a higher version, you need to just press what? Could you repeat? Just press what? Enter button. But you should work in the version called as 2019 and above version. Correct now? 2019 above in the sense I can work with the 2021, work with 365 also. These are the dynamic function when I talk about filter 365, office 365 or array 365. Are you clear with this? So here we are pressing what? Just enter. For example, I have a data column called as here. Now we have a data column called as a name. Is this clear? Then we have a column called as a city. Then we have a column called as cells. Is this clear? Now the name I have a B, C, D. Again A, B, C, D. Here also city called as Mumbai. Is this clear? Then we have a Delhi. Then we have a Pune. Then again Mumbai. Then again what? Delhi, Pune. And then might be Allahabad Bihar. Yes or no? Now the cell is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like that way. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now to remember these data, we have a ready-made function called as name range. Do you remember?
Yes.
Name range. If you provide the name range, you don't need to remember this. Is this clear?
Yes.
Can anyone tell me what is the shortcut key of name range? Do you remember what is the shortcut key of name range?
No.
If you don't remember, I will tell you. Control plus Shift plus F3. What did I say? Control Shift plus F3. When you press this, it will ask you, you want the name range for what? So you have to select the name range for top row. What do you mean by top row? That means I want the name range for this. I want the name range for this. Is this clear?
Yes.
When I say the top row, these headings, when you provide these headings, it will automatically provide you the number. Is this clear? Now let me write the program called as, for example, I need the total of only Mumbai. I need the total cells of only Mumbai. Could you please tell me the formula which should I use? Total cells of Mumbai. Yes, this is right answer. Absolutely correct. Some if we should use it. Because of one logic. The logic is what? Get the total of what? Mumbai. Okay. Now instead of this sum if, can I try with the alternate? If you go to the industry, 99% of the people will say the same thing. You are only the 1% who is saying, sir, we can do something else also with the help of this array. We can do something else with the help of this array. Are you clear with this? Now let me write the syntax of your sum if equal to sum if. Then here we have a first called as, what is that? Range. Then we have a next called as criteria. Then we have a sum range. Correct now? Now let's connect all these together inside the formula called as array. Are you clear with this? Yes or no?
Yes.
Do you have any doubt in theoretical part? No. Is this clear? Okay. So basically array is doing what? Array is performing the mathematical calculation and simplifying the task. So our duty to use array for what? Simplifying the task and do the mathematical calculation easily. Clear now? Okay. Can we start with the practical? Theory part have you understood?
Yes.
So let us go back to your practical. We'll come back to the practical. Okay? The practical.
Yes.
Okay. So now this is a data. In the first column we have name, company name and the cells. Correct? Now let me first create the name range. Select the data, Control Shift and F3, and then we should click to what? Top row. When I say the top row, that means this data will auto remember by the heading. Auto remember by the heading. For example, I need the total of Wipro. The 99% of the people is going to use what? Sum if. Or some expert will say that sum IFS. Both are correct. You are the only unique person who will say, sir, can we try with the additional tool called as a sum, but with what did I say? Sum with what? Array. Now let me do it this. Equal to sum. Is this clear? Now for the array purpose I am opening one more bracket because we have a condition. What is a condition? Company must be what? So let me ask the question to my company. That means I am looking to the company. Where I am looking? I am looking to the company, and then I ask whether my company is equal to Wipro. What did I ask? Whether my company is equal to Wipro. True and will be what?
100.
And 1 multiply 0 will be what?
0.
So let us follow the same technique. Let me multiply with these numbers. Let me multiply with these numbers. Is this clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now when I close this bracket, my array got completed. I am working in a higher version 2021. Even you are also working in a higher version. When I press enter button, so I got what?
0.
0. Okay, sir. So now let me press Control Shift and enter. Let me press Control Shift and enter. Now let me try one more time. Sum. Let me ask the question. Look into this. Correct? Look into this company. Company must be equal to what? Wipro. Spelling must be correct. That is, be careful. Into. Sorry. See here the Wipro spelling is incorrect. Correct now. So Wipro spelling is incorrect. So I have to use now incorrect only. Is this correct?
No.
So here inside the company is incorrect. So you have to use incorrect in the formula.
Correct.
If it is correct, then use the correct formula. Is this correct? WIRPRO. R is also missing. PO. Chalo. Okay? Now let me close the bracket. Get multiply with what? Cells. Get multiply with what? Cells. So let me close the bracket, final bracket, and when I press only enter, I will get the answer. For the lower version, you need to press what? Control Shift and enter. Let me try one more option. Now this time company will be Tata. Can anyone help me to write the array code or array formula equal to sum? How many times bracket? Double bracket, because I have a condition. Okay. Look into where?
Company.
So look into where? So I must write the company. Company must be equal to what? Tata. Is this correct? Spelling must be correct?
Yes.
Let me close the bracket. This will generate true and false. Get multiply with what? Sales. Let me close and press enter. Sir, what is the formula? Let me show you the formula. Is this correct? Yes or no? Please respond.
Yes.
Okay. Can you write the formula? To get the total of Papita? See, there is one person name called as Papita. Can you tell me the formula, or who can write the formula for this? Can you tell me the formula? I will write for you. Correct? Now please tell me. Who is telling? You are. Okay, please go ahead.
is equal to sum
Sum,
double bracket
very nice.
name is equal to
Name equal to,
in quotes papita
yes, absolutely correct. Name equal to papita. Bracket close. Then
multiplied by
multiplied by
sales.
sales. If I ask you the question, why did you multiply? Why did you multiply? When we multiply with this papita, that means all true value of papita get multiplied with the cells.
Yes.
Is this clear? Then you have to press just enter, your job is done. Is this clear?
Yes.
I will show you one real scenario where industry can use. Correct now? For example, you are working in an office, there is a called as item, that is a product, they have a quantity and they have a rate. Is this clear? In the product, we have a A, B, C, D, E, F. Is this clear everyone?
Yes.
Quantity I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 just for your understanding. Correct? In the real scenario, we have a huge data, but currently I will take a sample data to just complete. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now can you tell me how to get the total? Please respond. Equal to quantity multiply rate. So I got the total, correct?
Yes.
What is the gross total? Gross total means overall total. So I got the overall total is this. Is this clear?
Yes.
Finally, the person who's using an array, he is a very smart person. Let me use sum. And then I select these quantity, get multiplied directly with the rate. Is this clear?
Yes.
Even what you done line by line, that is item 1 multiply, item 2 multiply, it is done by the internally with the array. When I press enter, so automatically I will get the same answer 5220. Is this clear?
Yes.
So here the more hard working is required as a normal formula, and the array is simplifying your formula. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is this clear everyone?
Yes.
Okay, now can you practice on the same data itself?
Yes.
If I give you the data, you can practice, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so I will give you the time to practice yourself. Correct now?
Yes.
Okay, so please start with your PC and we will do the practice.